But you should have seen her play croquet. You have some of it on there, Ruth, haven't you?
Oh yeah, I've got a lot of
Reagan,
it.
who's on the phone?
Who's on the phone? Reagan. Say hello.
What?
No, she's not in.
What? What?
This is exactly how Mom sounds on the phone.
Yeah, but you have to let them talk to you.
Let's say bye.
You have to wait for an answer.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
What?